Hello everyone. So it's been a long time since we have seen throughout the channel. As you all know that this month is Cybersecurity Awareness Month, and to start with, I just received an SMS, which is a kind of a phishing SMS. I just want to show that to you guys and explain what it exactly does and how do we safeguard ourselves from that message. So I have just taken a small screen recording of that message, so which I show you now. So basically I have just received a SMS from number 8338 and this message claims to be that from Axis Bank, and they are mentioning that your account will be suspended today and please act on it and update the PAN card immediately. So that also has a shortened link, your shortened URL. When we paste that URL in the browser, so shortened URL service obviously validates that with Cloudflare, but eventually it shows an UI like Axis Bank UI. So it shows a login screen and MPIN setup and everything. But if we observe the URL that says round Q, which obviously not Axis Bank URL, right? So what we are going to do now, we'll open the URL in the browser and we'll see what are all the things we need to observe when we are looking for this kind of suspicious links, right? So let me open that URL here. This is a shortened URL. Obviously this checks Cloudflare. So if you open that URL in browser, you can obviously see there is something wrong with this UI, right? So all the logos, login pages, everything seems to be strange and so big, right? Let's just play with this UI. We can see MPIN, login screens and everything. So we are not going to submit anything from this, and see, no valid website is going to show the copyright and everything to be this much bigger in the UI, right? So let's just see what is the page source of this website, right? So all the top level header section, everything seems to be pretty simple, title and everything, fonts and styles. When we go down, we can see the login pages, right? So here you can see the access main page logo, and you can see it's posting this data to a post.php. So obviously we expect that this form submits all the data we provide here to a post.php page, server side script, which would collect all the data we submit. And if you observe the URL, so obviously it would be that /post.php. So this is a URL, it would be submitting the details, and obviously this is not the valid Axis Bank URL. So if let's just try check by providing dummy data, right? So obviously they have done all the validation and etc. to make a feel that this is a valid URL. And mobile banking MPIN, so they have restricted that as well to 6 characters, which is very frequent in banking sites. Let's click on login. See what it says, does not match the requested format, which means that, so what we'll do, we'll just say 9112345678 9 10. So they're not validating the IST number, then it's just ignore, and let's try to submit. Valid mobile number, still they're asking valid mobile number. So let's inspect the network activity. Are they doing anything? When we click on submit, so nothing. This is just a valid JavaScript validation alert. Let's check this form then. And just typing random things. Okay, let's try to log in. Again, this expects with the requested format. If you see the source code, you can see what is the alert they are giving. Where is the validation they are doing? Okay, the pattern they have given here, right? So let's see what is the pattern for mobile number. Enter a valid mobile number. So the pattern should be any number from 6 to 9, and it can go maximum to valid 9 digits, right? So let's do this way. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? Let's check now. Okay, there was an event, and it's just pretending to be that it's verifying the login details. Right? So now it's asking name and date of birth, right? So it has its own workflow kind of stuff. Whenever we are submitting the details, it's trying to collect maximum whatever the possible details we have. I'm just giving Sam, and date of birth format what they have given. Let's see, let's inspect and see the pattern. Have they given any pattern here? No, nothing. Maximum 10, which means that they follow any DDMM YYY. So I give one more slash, they don't allow. Okay, we give submit. Okay, now they have OTP validation. See, they pretend that we'll provide the actual OTP here, so they'll collect the OTP also. I'm just giving dummy OTP. They expect 6 digit. See, they are crazy. They are collecting PAN number also. Okay, they are asking name, right? Just a dummy name, and the PAN card number. Let's see. Okay, they have a format validation for this. Let's see what is the pattern. A to Z, any character of maximum 5 length. Okay, 5 length we have given. Then 4 digits. Yeah, 4 digits provided. Then 1. Okay, this is a PAN card validation we have given. Yeah. Again, they are collecting the OTP. 6 digit, let me provide. Proceed. They have just added a default waiting time. See, they have tried to attempt to trigger a valid transactions behind the scene when we are submitting the details. So it says that invalid one-time password. So this is just a sample I just wanted to show you guys. So please be aware that whenever you are getting a random link, it would collect maximum possible information from you, and they'll try to do the transactions on behalf of you. So this is the easiest way people get trapped and fall for this kind of techniques. So I hope this is a good lesson for you guys to be safeguard yourself from these kind of attacks. So stay tuned for further more videos from EazyTutor, and be safe in cyberspace, guys.